Hello guys! Have a nice day everyone! I'm here in the gym. Dito ako guys sa gym. Maglinis ako guys. Please like and follow me. Thank you for watching. Love you all guys. It is very sunny in Amman, Jordan guys. The weather is very nice. Amoy ni guys ang ako nga limpyuhan. I will clean the equipments of the gym, guys. Tingnan ninyo guys sa labas guys, oh. Maganda ang view. Very nice ka view guys, ha. Ano ka gym? Labas ng gym. Okay guys. Mag-umpisa na ako linis ng gym. I will start clean the equipments of the gym. Thank you for watching.